Welcome to Gin and Pin on Science. In this episode, sound. I'm Gin and this is Pin, and today we have a special guest star. It's Barry Scott!
Hi, Barry Scott here, asking whether you have problems with limescale, rust, ground in dirt. They're a challenge for some household cleaners, but not for Sillet Bang.
No, you're not. We're all here to talk about sound.
I'm shouting, that's sound, isn't it?
That's it. Ow, that really hurt. I wonder why my voice keeps changing. Bang, and the dirt is gone. Well, Barry's gone, so we might as well tell you it ourselves. The higher the amplitude, the louder the sound. So if more energy is put into the sound, the louder it will become. The speed of sound is 761 miles per hour, or 1,100 feet a second. Our new AC Cobra might not reach these speeds, but this one does. I'm okay, people! Ow! Echolocation is when animals such as bats send out sound waves. When the sound hits an object, it bounces back. Animals use this to navigate or catch their prey. Hello, 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 hello. Sound can be very useful. In hospitals, it is used to measure the human pulse. The difference between the two crests, or tops, is the wavelength. Beep. Poor Jin lost his arm after the car accident. Beep. No, Pin! Don't put him out of his misery!
Bang!
Ultrasonic sound is far too high-pitched for a human ear to hear. It can be used for cleaning and measuring flows of things, such as blood in a human body or a coolant in a nuclear power plant. Well, that is all for today. Goodbye.
Hi, Barry Scott here, asking whether you have problems with limescale, rust, ground in dirt. They're a challenge for some household cleaners, but not for Sillet Bang. Sillet Bang, Sillet Bang, Sillet, Sillet, Sillet Bang, Sillet Bang, Sillet Bang, incredible Sillet Bang, Sillet Bang, Sillet Bang, Sillet, Sillet, Sillet Bang, Sillet Bang, Sillet Bang, Sillet Bang, limescale, rust, ground in dirt. They're a challenge, they're a challenge, they're a challenge. Limescale, rust, ground in dirt. They're a challenge, but not for Sillet Bang, 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 bang. Simply straight on tiles. dirt is good.